are reviewing the butterfly guard attack series. So this one here, we're gonna get into the basic understanding of how to do our drags and getting to the back. So we have two different ways that we're gonna show these drags. The drag number one is grabbing the tricep. I'm gonna bring it back to the side here, pinning it down, locking the waist, and I'm gonna open up my leg, scoot out, and I'm gonna pull him into it, okay? Boom, so I'm here. So there's a couple of key details to this, and I'm gonna make sure that you guys see the different angles. When I do my drag, a lot of the times people do this drag, when they grab here, we pull back this way. But the problem is that when I'm in the butterfly guard and I'm on my back, I'm already in a very vulnerable state. It gives him way too many options. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make sure that when I go for my controls, I'm gonna hand fight, making sure I'm on top side controls, meaning my hands are on top of his. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my head in tight, grab his tricep, and I'm gonna pull it to me. I'm gonna lock it to my body here. The tighter it is to my body, the more control I have of him, and he's less able to pull away. So pull away. See, I'm able to stay tight to him. Okay, now if I wanna start working towards back, I'm gonna take his arm, I'm gonna drag it past my body. Now, one interesting thing that I do when I do these drags is that I'll take this position and I pin my elbow to the floor. I'll come here and I pin my elbow to the floor. That way, so he's unable to move here, I'm gonna take my outside arm and lock his waist. Now, from here, I'm gonna take my left leg, I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm gonna move my hips, I'm gonna hip escape out, and I pull him into the space, and I'll show you in another angle what that looks like. I'm here, and I literally just pull him into me as I close my guard, wrist control to the finish, okay? So I'll show you angles so you guys can see this. So I'm here, wrist controls, tricep grip, pulling in here, boom. I want to be tight here. And I also want to make sure my chest stays on top of his shoulder. Okay, I'm going to scoot out here. Now see the space that I have? I'm going to hip escape. As I hip escape, I'm going to pull this, and I'm going to pull this in. Boom, into that guard. Lock the wrist, come in for the kill, and for the finish. Okay, so one more time. In this angle, I'm here, top sides, grab the tricep, pulling in, pinning it down, locking, out, hip escape, pull, wrist control. That's the arm drag to the back.